Hi, my name is Mariah Paranto with Pace Analytical, and I'm going to show you how to use your Suma canister. First, this is a Suma can. It's an evacuated stainless steel canister, so it's under vacuum. And this right here is a flow controller. It slows the flow of air into the evacuated can, so it collects sample evenly over 72 hours. And this part right here is your sampling cane, and this just prevents water from getting into the canister if it rains during the sampling event. And now these are sturdy canisters, but if you mishandle them, you may cause leaks in the sampling train. So we want to make sure that whenever you pick them up, you pick them up by this metal ring instead of by the flow controller or the cane. And also, when you transport these in your vehicle, you'll want to make sure that they are secured so they don't bounce around during transport. And once you've selected a location for sampling, you'll want to make sure to secure your Suma canister with a lock and chain provided by the City of Minneapolis, especially if you feel like someone could access your property and might take off with it, because they are pretty expensive. And so when you're ready to sample, you'll record the date and time that the sampling begins on the tag on your canister, and then you'll open your can. Now, please don't practice opening these yet. Once you open the can, it will start collecting samples, so please wait until the time you need to start the collection. So if you have one of these rotary valves, you'll just want to turn it counterclockwise to open it. So you just rotate the valve until you feel it stop, and that means your can is completely open. And if you have this other type of valve, the toggle valve, you'll want to make sure that you flip the valve straight up to open it. Make sure that you don't rotate it up, because that's not the same thing. It won't open the can. Make sure you actually flip it. So then you'll let your cans collect for 72 hours, and when you're ready to stop sampling, these will not turn off on their own. You'll need to stop them yourself. So you will record the date and time that you stop sampling, and then you will close your valve. So for the rotary valve, you'll just turn it back clockwise until you feel resistance, and that will be closed. And for the toggle valve, you just flip it back down. And then you should be all set. Thanks for participating, and happy sampling.